It's Lulu the Piggy time. Thank you very much once again to Rigel Toys. They sent this beautiful little package over to us. Super, super excited. And just remember, Rigel Toys is an authorised reseller of Toy Zero. And they do have an Amazon storefront, which will ship to Australia and New Zealand. And they are an official seller of one of our favourites, Lulu the Piggy. All right. I think we should start with this one. I actually have two of these. I've got this cute little pink girl, and then I have this cute little brown one. So let's see if we're adding a dupe or a new one to the collection. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, ready? Oh, I forgot it's in plastic. Oh. Went flying. Oh, cute. That one's like a terracotta colour. It's like a little mummified Lulu the Piggy. Very cool. All right, madam. Do you want to open yours first? Haven't seen these before. They're called Nuki.
Is this my one?
Yep, that's one you picked out.
Which one? The beautiful
options are very cute.
I want all of them.
All of them. Okay, awesome.
Any of them. I like this. Kind of.
Little pop. Which one is it?
I already know which one it is, and I love it.
Oh my gosh, it's a little kitty cat. Oh, can you hold it up? Oh, what a little kitty patootie. This one is called Sew Helper. I assume because it's got a little, like, what's it called? Spool with it. How very, very, very cute. All right. Now, this is actually a phone charm. These are so sweet. These are the Lulu Piggy Teddy Minis Whispers of Nature. They're all of our options. I am super keen on getting either the black one or any of the light coloured ones at the top. And then, of course, we have 3 secret options over on this side too. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Can we get a pop? 1,
2,
2,
3. Guys, and I got this new jumper today.
She did get that new jumper today.
And then we got this yesterday.
Yep. Oh, the sweetest little bag. Alrighty. What have we got? 1, 2, 3. I think I got a light coloured one. Oh my god! Oh, is it so cute? Oh, that one is so sweet. Oh, look at it. It's called Afterglow. Oh, okay. Thank you so much, Rigel Toys. These are our little cuties from Rigel Toys. I'm really, really, really stoked with what we got. These are so freaking cute. Actually, these two match. How funny is that? And just as a reminder, there is a discount code called Rigel Toy 5, which will get you 5% off if you go and place an order. Yay, we love sales. Girl Maths is very good in this house. Until next time.